Okay guys, this is the starting point of the rafting activity. So the passenger drop here and we're walking down. I think the style is good, but I don't know, down there could be good. So amazing view from here. Oh, this is the reception here. This is our team here on one boat with our guest from France. We must fit our equipment here for helm and okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come. Okay, we are arrived here at the starting point of paddling. So some of the guests already here for training or practicing to paddle. Ena. Ena, Bapak. Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Pak Putin. Hurra! Sudah lupa. Our captain action. Now you're going to run the Paris, yeah? Wow. Okay, let's go. Forward, paddle, Annabelle. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. En fait, j'ai fait la stylée sur français. 1, 2, 1, 1. Ouais, mais pour moi, si je paye en avant, je paye en arrière. Yeah, okay, we make a game.
Splash him down. Like that, with face like this.
Ah, splashing, no problem. Whoa, this is view very, very good in front. Masih disempit ya.
My friend, you go? Yes, go. You don't go, you don't stay. Whoa.
A group of monkey in front.
There is no monkey.
Over there.
Yes.
Monkey, monkey.
Wow.
Yeah, number of monkey. We beat here. Our boat is stuck on the way because a big stone just underneath. No, the captain is trying to release.
Shaking.
Shaking. Okay, this is good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Our captain is very clever to manage the boat. Yeah, okay, good.
Itu biar loh.
Hah? Ya, udah kelihatan.
Oke, Annabelle. Iya.
Oh, itu apa namanya? Istilahnya tuh. Komo.
My friend, we need to accelerate. Yeah. Go, you too. Ouais, j'avoue, c'est vrai.
Okay, stop. well known here in Bali. You get wet. Drink water.
I drink water.
A lot.
Thank you, Ayurveda, for the water.
Oh, it's stuck on the front. Honorable.
Non, mais tout ça, il y a des secours pour la lol.
Hello. Someone out there.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Tarzan.
Two. This is the wall with many scatter of Balinese carving. Okay, we just got enemies. What do we call? Okay, stop.
You need to go back to them.
Yes, wait.
Ouais, toi, t'es sérieux là? Ouais, t'es dedans là. Arrête dedans. Moi, je suis dedans. Mais là, l'ennemi, c'est que le mec. Bon, pour les enfants.
There is a waterfall. There is a waterfall.
Non, mais il fera d'autres.
We will jump to the waterfall.
Ah, on va. Ah, loup.
Yes, stop.
Ah, là, attends. Vas-y, pas. Arrose-le.
Oh, very good waterfall. Whoa. Good.
Waterfall.
Okay, selfie in front of the waterfall. Woo, amazing. Huh? Zidane. National team. Okay, stop.
Là, c'est la fois que des beaux spots en fait. Ouais, je vois que c'est souvent toujours là, c'est comme ça là. Bon.
Okay, ano po? Yeah, forward. One.
T'as vu l'eau, elle est pas
Okay, una riang, back. Yes, back, back. Yes, back, back.
Okay, we stop here.
We are rest time, boss. Halfway, yeah? And then 1 hour more until the end. We are rest 10 minutes or 15 minutes.
15 minutes here.
Okay, please get out from the boat. Yes, please. Get parking. Alright, thank you. So maybe you want buy some to drink. You can try later, no problem. If you want. Yes. Whatever. What? Where? Oh, motorcycle. Okay?
You want beer? Beer 25.
Yeah, very fun, very good. Are you prefer the best for rafting?
What do you think? The rafting? Good?
Yes, so far. Very good so far.
Halfway, another halfway to the.
Yeah, we still have halfway to do.
And we will fight with the yellow one.
We're gonna win.
Okay, ano po?
Ano po?
Yeah, 1.
2. one of the temple in the middle of river. Bro, apa nih bro? Ini arti Banjar apa Desung lah? Wah ini amazing nih, having fun. Having fun.
C'est pareil, moi je suis pas en train de parler de gens que je connais pas, je parle de juste de moi, genre je reste en train de charbonner.
Okay, ready to sliding here? Sliding. We get ready. Oh, mantap, guys. Mantap, guys. Oke, Anabo.
Il y a plus? Ouais, t'as pied, il y a rien à faire. Ouais, mais j'ai pas envie d'aller dans l'eau.
Swimming in the river. Awas, ini nah.
Il y a quoi?
Jump.
Non, attends,
Cool.
il a dit quoi?
Yeah.
You want to continue with it?
Finish area. Very
Very
good.
good. French people, venez.
Yeah, good. Very good.
Yes.
Ah ouais, j'ai ça.
Yes, please.